What up, YouTube? This video was taken on this Tuesday afternoon, December 5th, 2023. Time right now is 4:01 p.m. and we have an unboxing video today. It is a case of 24 Cambros 2000P 2156 colorware 22-ounce ruby red cups. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Oh. So let's see, we have two. What, each one has six? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 4 6-inch stack of the cups. Let me get one out here so we can look at it more closely. So here we go. On the bottom it says Cambro 2000P, Huntington Beach, California, made in the United States. Let's do a little ASMR. Oh yeah, these are the real deal. So you're probably wondering how I got myself here. Basically, I was a victim of a Instagram story. I was browsing Instagram and I saw this video.
What kind of plastic is this made out of? Why does it sound so cool when it hits the ground? Why does it feel like the beverage is 10 times colder when it's in this cup? Have you ever seen one of these break?
Ah, good old Cambro colorware tumblers. The colorware tumblers date back to the early 80s. The ruby red color could not be missed. They were in many, many restaurants. They're made of a SAN plastic, which is very durable and very, very hard to break. The material is also a little bit more insulated than typical plastic tumblers, which make that cold drink just a little bit colder. Colorware tumblers enjoyed by the sideburns and mustache era, all the way up to the Justin Bieber lookalike era. And of course, they're made in the USA.
And basically, after I saw that video, I got in my head that I wanted to get some official Cambro cups. Over the years, I have acquired some tumblers or cups, and that's pretty much what I use for my daily drivers for drinking. Okay, I thought I would just go over a couple of the cups that I have acquired over the years that I usually drink out of. So my favorite cups to drink out of are these two cups, and they're made by G-E-T from Houston, Texas, and they're pretty big cups. Okay, and then coming in at going back into the 22-ounce category, I have these two cups. This one has developed a lot of, like, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if the camera's focusing. Developed a lot of, like, cracks over the years. And this one says it's Cisco. And this one is also made by the Get Company in Houston, Texas. And even though this Get Company says it's Houston, Texas, it's made in Taiwan. Then I had a girlfriend once that saw that I acquired these cups. So she bought me these. I forget where she bought them from. But they don't have any manufacturer on them. They're 32 ounces. And they're a bit thin. Their walls are kind of thin. You can actually kind of like press them and make them oblong, while all the other cups I showed you are pretty firm. And then finally, I drink out of this cup, which I believe is another 22-ounce cup. And this is actually my only Cambro cup that he has a 22-ounce cup. This is the only Cambro cup that I actually own. And this one, does it have a number? Cambro LT22. Okay, and then real quick, out of curiosity, I thought I would go and weigh all my cups. I have the lighting down so there's no glare. We'll start with the actual standard, which will be the Cambro 2000P. And we're doing grams since I'm a drone guy. So it's exactly 100 grams. Next we'll do the Cisco 22 ounce, which is their, you see 98 grams. And then we'll do the Get 22 ounce. Oh, it's actually heavier. It's 112 grams. But even though it is a 22 ounce cup, it has an extra lip on it, you can see there, so that's probably why it's heavier. So we'll try this other Cambro 22 ounce. This is probably really heavy. Yeah, 114 grams. Then we'll try these big Get clear ones. 184 grams. And then finally, we'll test these no brand 32 ounce cups. 107 grams. But yeah, I thought I would go ahead and get the real deal. And it was a thought that came to my head, and then I realized that they're kind of hard to acquire economically. So I just kind of forgot about it. Then my one friend messaged me. He saw the video too. He ordered cups as well, but he didn't get the Cambro ones because, like I said, it's kind of hard to find them economically in small quantities. So he got another brand, and that kind of sparked my curiosity again. I was like, I gotta try to get some official Cambro cups. So I kind of searched around, and I found this website called Webstaurant that sold packs of 24 in a case. Typically, the other links, like on Amazon, they're like 72 cups per case. So it was a small quantity and it was economical. But shipping was $18. But this website, Webstaurant, has this like kind of Amazon Prime like membership program that you get free shipping on your orders. Now, their program is pretty expensive. It's $99 a month, but they had a thing for the first month free. So basically, I signed up for their affiliate program, or it's called Webstaurant Plus. I signed up for that. I ordered these cups, got free shipping, and then I went and my subscription was free for the first month. So then I went in and I disabled my subscription. I canceled it. So basically, I got free shipping. I saved $18. So I actually paid. So out the door, I paid $36.37 for the case of 24. So I paid $1.52 per cup. So that's pretty affordable. And these cups are probably going to last me till I die. So anyway, I thought this would be an interesting video, interesting unboxing, just sharing this. I'm going to go ahead and put these away in my kitchen. But we got to do one last thing before we finish this video. Okay, here we go. This video will not be complete without a drop test.